How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can watch Naruto Shippuden in English dubbed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, there are many ways to watch Naruto Shippuden anime. It is also available on Netflix, but the sad thing is it's not available on Netflix as an audio. There is definitely a subtitle if you'd like to watch it in the original language, that is Japanese, but there isn't in the English dubbed version. Now, there is one of the very popular anime site that is completely legal. It's not a pirated website, so you can just go to crunchyroll.com, and from here you can simply tap on the profile icon, sorry, the search bar here, and then just try to search for Naruto Shippuden here. So once you search for Naruto Shippuden, you'll find the subtitle version and you will also find the dubbed version over here. So depending upon what is it that you would like to prefer, Naruto Shippuden, you can simply select that and then you'll be able to play them as well. This way you should be able to basically watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.